So we had been away from creating YouTube videos for, I'm going to say 3 years. We're doing well with the videos. Not extremely well, but we were growing and slowly growing. But basically that time, I think I would more say that it was a time of trying to figure out what niche that we wanted to use, that we wanted to do. And so right now it is August 28th, 2024. And I thought, I might as well get this started. My husband's not home from work yet. But together, we would like to grow our channel. We would like to monetize, and that is our goal. Now, my birthday is in 3 months, and I will be 53. And I would like to be monetized by then. Now, on our YouTube, we call each other Mr. and Mrs. Random because we are Random Familia. We just like to share our life with others and you, but we also know that we would like to share different things that we are learning in life, a lot of recipes. I will be talking about my chronic fatigue syndrome journey, as that has made a huge impact on our lives. Now, if you have seen me in the past, I would have had longer hair instead of short hair. I decided to cut that off about a year ago now, and just chopped it off. And I liked the choice that I made. Anyhow, the things that I really want to focus on, or we want to focus on, are doing better edits, better content, and like I mentioned, we want to niche down. So our biggest hits were going out to eat. Now, I'm not sure if I would like to do that, but I'm thinking more along the line of cooking, because both of us like to cook. I like to bake more. He loves to cook more than I do. I'm gonna say that our cooking videos will be up every Saturday by 10 a.m. A good place to start with this video is in my kitchen, because cooking is one of the things that we'll be discussing. And my chronic fatigue videos, my story, my journey, I'm not out of, I don't, how can I say this? I'm not out of the woods with chronic fatigue syndrome. So anyhow, I thought, and I actually feel quite well today. I've been, in the morning, I felt like I couldn't even keep my eyes open. Yesterday, the whole day was like that, and it was a busy day. And I'm surprised that this afternoon I'm feeling quite a bit better. So anyhow, I'm going to touch base a little bit on my chronic fatigue, and which is one of the reasons that probably the only reason that we stopped doing videos. So, so with the chronic fatigue syndrome, it's basically in the name. Something that's chronic, excuse my shadow in the background, something that's chronic is something extreme. And fatigue, well, that is just that. It's not your typical, I'm fatigued today. It's, I have to sleep the whole day, or for 3 days. No appetite, sleeping, have no energy to do dishes, wash the floor, sweep the floor, get out of bed. So it's not a fun thing at all. And it's not depression. It is just the disease is chronic fatigue syndrome. There's another name that I've heard for it as well, but I don't know it as well because that's not what my doctor calls it. And I was also diagnosed with fibromyalgia, which is pain throughout the whole body. So I am on meds that I take in the night to help me sleep better, because when you have fibromyalgia, you don't sleep properly. It's same as chronic fatigue syndrome. And it's also to help with pain of fibromyalgia. So most days, since I've been taking these meds, things have gotten better in that aspect, but the chronic fatigue has not improved. Now today, I had a migraine this morning. My body was hurting. It's just quite... I didn't think I would be able to do as much as I was able to do today. Now today I was able to, believe it or not, I was able to move my sofa and my love seat to be able to sweep under them, clean under them, wash the floor, done dishes. Haven't done laundry today. I did laundry a couple days ago, so should be fine for now. And I ended up taking 6 weeks off from work due to this chronic fatigue syndrome. So now what I'm doing, and we have our own business, so we're able to work around and have some of our employees take my load as well. So anyhow, what I'd like you to do is join us on our journey to learn new dishes, learn new foods, teach you new foods, or maybe some that you already know, but maybe you don't have the recipe for, and you can get the recipe from us. As well as if you suffer from chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, or anything similar, or any chronic illness, it's nice to know that other people are going through it as well. Now, right now, I would like to have you join us. This is probably my 6th take on making this video. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to be doing or how to go about doing it, but I think, I hope that you have enjoyed it so far, and I hope to see you again. And I would love to meet new YouTubers as well, so that we can talk about or email each other, whatever, different ideas, or watch each other's videos on different ideas of how to grow our channels together. And yeah, just so many different good videos. And the future video, I will share with you new people that I have met recently, videos that I've just enjoyed so much and are very encouraging. But I will do that in one of my future videos, and I think I will probably do that once a week, just to let you know of some other YouTubers that you might be interested in meeting, so watching their videos, their content. Don't forget to subscribe. Push that bell button so that you can get notified at next time our video comes up, as well as hit that like button, because that will help show that people are interested in watching my videos, as well as put a comment. Let me know what kind of recipes you would like. I'm gonna just give you a little tidbit if you don't know yet. My husband is Mexican, so I'm Norwegian by ancestry, Canadian born. So he will be doing Mexican dishes. We will have different healthy dishes, different kinds of things that we're learning from other YouTubers as well. So yeah, just join us. I might even do some, clean with me videos or different things. Yeah, just put in the comment down there what kind of things that you would like to see us do. If in our past videos, we have some of us working on siding together, out in minus 27 degrees. The videos were not the best, but it's kind of fun to watch and look back on. But anyhow, feel free to check out our other videos from the past, and continue to watch for our next videos. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hola, hermoso. Que ya llegó de su trabajo.
La chamba. Venimos de la chamba.
Mr. Random.